Hello mate, welcome to Bam-booboo's Magic Lecture, the official section launched. Here we see the bamboo strips, raw materials used to produce products, and round bamboo sticks processed in the early stage. How did these materials made from moso bamboo? We start with the selection of bamboo, cut the selected bamboo into equal lengths. Then break them to cut them into sections. Oh, by the way, as Christmas lands on the floor, Boo-boo wishes you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now, let's continue the process of cutting and breaking.